My son and I came to watch a tune-up game between Gilas and the NBA players, but apparently something happened and they couldn't play. So hopefully the sponsors can do something about it, and maybe that we understand that maybe they have nothing to do with it. So just maybe they can do something for us to be able to get our money back. Sana they made an announcement, or sana they explained what happened. Kasi we're in the dark, we don't know what happened.
Are you expecting a refund?
Yes, we're expecting a refund. There's a number going around, and then at the start of the game, there was this guy from PLDT who said that if we're not satisfied with the performance or the game, we can have our money back.
Okay.
Thank you.
Na-expect ko na si Blake Griffin pupunta sa Paul George, pero dinala nila yung buong cast nila ngayon. Tapos parang sayang lang, pinadrills, kaya naman nilang gawin sa sarili nilang gym yun eh. Tapos pinakita lang nila lahat sa lahat ng Pilipino na sayang lang talaga yung pera eh. Na-hold up ng PLDT.
Sa PLDT, wala, they just did some drills, tapos they offered a refund, pero after nun, sinabi nila para daw sa charity, so syempre, na-corner kami, we ayaw magawa. I think people are just happy to see the players, pero they were sobrang syempre hayo kami to play, and I don't think they want to give, ano ba yun, parang wala talaga silang balak maglaro pala, so they should have said that in the first place.
Are you disappointed na
Yeah, very disappointed. Kasi ang dami, mahal ng tickets eh. And they were all hyping it up na sino mas magaling dito? Point guard natin, o si Kyle Lowry, and wala. Yeah. Dati kasi when they pulled it off, ang saya eh. And nasa Genad lang ako, wala akong pake. Ngayon, nakakuha ako ng ticket and I was like parang okay, fine. Masaya sana to, but as you can see, people are going out and they're not satisfied with what they paid for.
What about the refund? Are you expecting na mabawi?
Huwag na, kasi the way they're playing out the refund is sinasabi nila, oy, tawag doon, parang tandaan nyo para makatulong to, which is nice. Pero that's parang sana they were sana honest with it, or at least put a decent price tag on watching some drills, di ba? Parang weird. And nakakainis kasi sobrang daming fans talaga ng basketball, and for them to extort it like that, di ba? Parang sabihin nila, oh, we're offering refund, pero tandaan nyo charity to ha. So parang alam mo yun, parang kinorner ka na lang, wala akong magagawa.